LinkFinder AI offers a powerful alternative for enriching and scraping LinkedIn data without risking your account. This demo highlights how the tool simplifies data enrichment and API access to enhance your business insights. First, select the type of data you have, such as company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. Specify the exact data type you want to use for enrichment from the available options. Click again to confirm your selection of the input data type for accurate processing. Fill in the details corresponding to the selected data type to proceed with enrichment. Click to access the drop-down menu for selecting the data type you want to enrich. Fill the input field with the specific data type value you have for enrichment. Select the type of output data you want, such as LinkedIn profile URL or verified email. Fill in the output data type to specify the desired enrichment result. Click the field to enter the full name for enrichment purposes. Fill in the full name, for example, Bill Gates, to enrich related data. Click the company name field to input the relevant company information. Fill in the company name, such as Microsoft, to proceed with enrichment. Click the Enrich Data button to start the enrichment process with the provided information. Select the input data type once more to begin a new enrichment query. Fill the input data type field with the relevant information for the next enrichment. Select the output data type, such as company website, company phone number, or company email. Fill in the output data type to specify the desired enrichment result. Click the field to enter the company name for enrichment. Fill in the company name, for example, Tesla, to enrich related data. Click the Enrich Data button to begin enriching data based on the input provided. Click the Upload CSV button to start bulk data enrichment using a CSV file. Click to drop your CSV file or select it for upload, supporting up to 10,000 rows with company names. Click here to interact with the CSV upload area for bulk enrichment. Click to try popular searches instantly, such as finding LinkedIn profile URLs from name and company. Click the Export button to download your enriched data as a CSV file. Click the API Access tab to explore integration options and documentation. Click to view detailed API documentation for LinkFinder AI. Click the Company Enrichment endpoint to see available API calls related to company data. Click to find a company's official website from its name using the API. Click again to access the company website Lookup API endpoint. Click to get company contact phone numbers from company names via the API. Click again to access the company phone number API endpoint. Click the B2B Data Lookup endpoint to find business contacts and company profiles without LinkedIn account risk. Click the Lead Full Name 2L API to find LinkedIn URLs from full names. Click again to access the LinkedIn URL Lookup API endpoint. Click to see details about the B2B Data Lookup API, which offers asynchronous endpoints for safe data retrieval. Click the Email to LinkedIn URL API to find LinkedIn profiles from email addresses. Click the Instagram Lookup API to find Instagram information from Instagram URLs. Click the History tab to view all data enriched through LinkFinder AI. Click the Spotify entry to see specific enrichment history details. Click here to interact with the enrichment history data. Click Buy Credits to add more credits to your LinkFinder AI account. Click Change Your Plan to view available subscription options and pricing. Click Monthly to choose the monthly subscription plan for your account. Click Change Your Plan again to review subscription options. Click Annual Save 40% to select the annual subscription plan with savings. Click here to complete your current action or navigate further within the application.